Welcome to Free Coding Academy's Machine Learning series. This is part 1, What is Machine Learning? Okay, first up, what is machine learning? Machine learning is exactly what it sounds like. It's how we make machines learn new things over time. Machine learning is a way for computers to learn patterns from data without being explicitly told what to do. So here's a popular analogy. Machine learning is like teaching a dog new tricks. But instead of treats, we give the computer examples. So here's a simple example. If we give the machine significant amounts of input, such as thousands of labeled pumpkin images, which say this is a pumpkin versus this is not a pumpkin, the machine will learn to recognize patterns in the photos. Then, when we show it a new photo, it can identify whether that is a pumpkin or not. It teaches itself based on the photos it sees. So there are 3 types of machine learning. The first is supervised learning. When the ML model learns from labeled data, such as photos labeled as pumpkin versus not a pumpkin, this is supervised learning. Next up, we have unsupervised learning. So this is when the ML model finds hidden patterns without labels, such as grouping customers by behavior. The third kind is reinforcement learning, when the ML model learns through trial and error, such as learning how to play a game like chess. So how do machine learning models actually learn? So here's an analogy. Training an ML model is like preparing for a test with the following steps. First, you have to collect lots of data. This is similar to collecting all your study materials before you study. Next, you have to clean and organize all that data, and this is similar to organizing your study materials. Next, you have to choose an ML model, such as a decision tree or a neural network, and this is similar to choosing a study method like Pomodoro or various others. Next, you have to train the ML model with examples, and this is similar to doing practice problems for your test. Finally, you have to test the ML model, and this is similar to actually taking your test. So there are some common misconceptions about machine learning. So first of all, it is not magic. It is based on mathematics and recognizing patterns in data. It cannot think for itself as often portrayed in science fiction. And it can make mistakes if it is trained with biased, inaccurate, or poor quality data, such as fuzzy images or data which is not representative. So there are 8 major types of ML models: linear regression, logistic regression, decision trees, random forests, support vector machines, k-nearest neighbors, k-means clustering, and neural networks. And in the following videos of this series, we'll cover all of these in detail. So why is machine learning useful? In the modern world, ML is useful because it helps us automate decisions, discover hidden patterns, and fix real issues, such as diagnosing illnesses, improving education, and combating climate change. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and watch part 2 on the linear regression ML model next.